Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install the Python Text Explorer extension for Visual Studio Code. So if you don't know about the Python Text Explorer extension, then it is an extension that provides user-friendly interface for running and managing Python unit tests. And it also offers features like test discovery, execution, debugging, and error reporting for frameworks like Unittest and Pytest. So let's see how to install this extension. In order to install the extension, you need to head on to the extensions tab in your VS Code, or you may also choose to press the Ctrl Shift and X key combinations. Then once you are inside the extensions tab, go to the search bar and type this particular name, which is Python Text Explorer. Now in the Python Text Explorer, you can see the first result, which is Python Text Explorer for Visual Studio Code by Little Fox team with around 1.8 million downloads. So this is the particular extension that you need to download. To download this, simply click on the install button, and here you can see that the installation has begun. But before that, you need to click on this Trust Publisher and Install button if the dialog box appears. Click here and just wait for the installation process to begin and get completed. Once that will be done, you can see that this particular extension has been successfully installed into our Visual Studio's code. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.